Looks like I got myself a project. Well, we're in the shade, so let's get started. No complaints so far. Gone through maybe a third of it and not even a hiccup. I mean, it would load down a little bit on some of the really gnarly stuff, but man, so far no lack for power, and she's running great. Ladies and gentlemen, we've been running her hard and taking no prisoners. All right, so we gave her a good test. We got our pile is gone. We got our split pile over here drying out. We'll leave it out here for about a month and we'll stack it up in the woodshed. Grandson's got their little slide here and their water table. So, man, I mean, I have zero complaints. This thing is starts on the first pull. Half the noise, half the fuel, half the vibration. I mean, what else do you want, right? I did check the oil. The oil went down a little bit, so we did burn a small amount of oil. So I'm gonna let her cool for a few minutes. It's really hot right now, but I'm gonna drain the oil, see how the oil looks, fill it back up, and I think we're gonna call this one a winner. I'm happy. Looking at the engine, I don't see any signs of leaks. Everything looks good. Nothing's rattled loose. Nice. Okay, so we got her draining. We'll get her drained down and then we'll take this out in the sun and see what's in there. So far, looks okay. Okay, so we're out here in the sun checking out the oil. I don't know how well that's showing up or not, but there's definitely still metal coming out. Yeah, we got some little metallic pieces in there. Got a few chunks of sawdust and a couple pieces of dirt flew in, the wind blew it in. But well, we'll just have to keep an eye on it. Yeah.